ya, hi, it's Heidi from Your Mom Tries. I'm just the average mom, might as well be your mom, and I try things. In today's try, we try to dry flowers. So let's roll the intro and hop to it. Okay, so I've been a little bit of an amateur gardener for the past few years, and this year I bought a special rose and had some flowers that I wanted to try to dry. So I bought silica gel off of Amazon and read the instructions, and I'll do some voiceover and show you how it went. My special rose is a David Austin carding mill rose. I absolutely love it. I also wanted to dry some orange and pink mums. Here's me snipping the David Austin rose. And then I left this blooper in because I thought it was kind of funny. I accidentally taped myself walking around with the rose. You can kind of see my dog and the rose in the camera. It's kind of funny. I also had gorgeous zinnias I grew from seed that I wanted to dry as well. So here's me snipping some of those. And then it was at this moment I knew I messed up. I lost all of the footage of me actually doing this, but I'll tell you what I did. I took these crystals from Amazon. I used a Tupperware that I will no longer use for food as my airtight container. I gently poured the crystals over the petals and made sure to cover them as much as I could. I didn't do any of the microwaving techniques that you see. I just left them in there for about a week. Here are some of the instructions and supplies that you'll need in case you want to try this on your own. And some of the flowers they say it's best to use with. So I did use zinnias, roses, and mums. Here's a picture of what it looked like. Notice like the bright pinks and oranges of the rose. And then here's me opening it up. So the zinnias definitely turned more purple, and the mums, the pink, also turned more purple. I used a soft paintbrush to get the crystals out of the petals, being as gentle as I could. I also have this tiny shovel that came in handy for sure when trying to pull out the David Austin rose. I think I picked the rose too late. All of the petals eventually just fell off. Kind of sad. I used the shovel to gently pull up the second rose, hoping to have better luck with the petals there, but unfortunately I did not. The petals eventually all just fell out of the middle. This zinnia did pretty well though, and the mums did pretty well. Not the orange mums, but the pink mums turned out really well. The orange mums just kind of turned brown, didn't really like them. But all the zinnias I did turned out well, and the mums did okay. So next year I'll just try a rose that isn't as near to the end of its life. I did, however, fish out all of the rose petals, and I'm going to use them in a little project, and that way I can reuse this silica gel again. And here's the final product. I really do like how they deepened in color, and I'll know what to expect next year. And here are the rose petals. I'll still be able to use them in a project, and I really do like the way they turned out with their color, the deepened yellow edges and pink. Okay, thanks for coming on this try with me. As you can tell, maybe all tries don't work out as you would have hoped that they would, but that's okay, because remember, all tries are good tries. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and comment on my videos. That way I can keep growing on this platform and keep trying new things. Thanks.